Hi you guys, Elicit Folio here, and I am back giving you another room tour. Today we are in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we stayed at the St. James, which is a Secrets Resort property that was recently acquired by Hyatt. The particular room that we booked was called the Junior Suite Ocean View King, and so I loved how it had a beautiful walk-in shower, a beautiful standalone tub, and of course the toilet had its own little room as well. I did feel like this resort was lacking in just little bathroom toiletries, like there was no lotion, but overall it was a nice spacious bathroom. I also love this little hidden door where you can drop off and pick up your room service, and it also had your typical amenities like a safe and drawers for any kind of storage. The room overall is very spacious, the king bed was very comfortable, and I love the little seating area, and he also gave us complimentary wine and cheese. One of the highlights of the room was of course the view, so even though we had an ocean view, not an ocean front, I still feel like we had amazing views of the property. It was not too loud, the balcony was very spacious, and I enjoyed sitting out here and having my morning coffee. Overall, I would rate this 3 out of 5 stars.